Welcome to Hindu Infopedia, your genuine info source for social and cultural issues. In today's digital world, religious tolerance has evolved into more than just a civic value. It's now a coded protocol, enforced, filtered, and regulated through the algorithms that power our everyday platforms. But beneath the promise of inclusivity lies a pattern of selective enforcement, where certain religious narratives, particularly Islamic ones, are shielded by design. In our earlier blog, International Law Under Siege, we explored how the principle of taqiyya, strategic religious dissimulation, can undermine legal systems. But this same principle has now migrated into a much more potent domain, the algorithmic backbone of digital platforms. Let's begin with search results. Try searching for controversial Islamic concepts like jihad or sharia on mainstream platforms. What do you find? A curated stream of articles emphasizing peaceful interpretations. These aren't inaccurate, but they're selectively prioritized. More critical, historical, or legal analyses are buried deep, if shown at all. This manipulation manufactures a polished image of Islam for non-Muslim audiences, what we call narrative shielding. But the algorithm doesn't stop at searches. Let's talk about fact-checking organizations, particularly in India. Platforms like Alt News play a major role in shaping what counts as truth. While the concept of fact-checking is essential, its application here follows a troubling pattern. When critiques of Islam appear, even if scholarly or legally reasoned, they are swiftly labeled as hate speech, misleading, or missing context. Take the 2021 West Bengal election violence. Viral claims of an anti-Hindu genocide were debunked by Alt News, using videos from Bangladesh. While the correction was valid, it highlighted a bias. Hindu claims face swift scrutiny, but Islamic misrepresentations rarely receive equal urgency. The same bias surfaced during the 2023 Israel-Gaza conflict, when Alt News claimed that 40% of misinformation in India targeted Muslims. The figure, while alarming, became the basis for even tighter moderation, justified under tolerance. But what about misinformation targeting Hindus? Where are the studies? Where is the action? In 2022, Alt News co-founder Mohammed Zubair was arrested for calling out anti-Muslim comments made by a political spokesperson. The world rallied around him in the name of free speech. But here lies the paradox. Criticism of anti-Muslim hate may prompt legal action. Critique of Islamic doctrine itself is algorithmically silenced. This isn't moderation, it's curation, one that mirrors the very idea of taqiyya in a digital form. And the rules of the game, they're written in partnership. Platform policies are often shaped through collaborations with Islamic advocacy organizations. These partnerships prioritize moderate, often officially sanctioned voices. Influencers promoting a benign view of Islam are amplified. But scholars or journalists raising critical questions, even with care and evidence, are shadow banned or demoted. Let's not forget Ahmad Musa Jibril, the US-based preacher linked to the London Bridge attacker. His hardline videos stayed online for years, subtly shaping minds. It took public outrage, not algorithmic action, for platforms to intervene. Meanwhile, mild critiques of Sharia law by academics are flagged within hours. This reveals the core of what we're witnessing: algorithmic dissimulation. Platforms don't just moderate, they enforce ideological boundaries. They define acceptable religious tolerance and silence everything that falls outside it. This is the future we face, where tolerance is no longer a civic consensus. It's a scripted performance, policed by invisible code. And until we expose this digital veil, religious tolerance will remain not a virtue, but a virtual illusion. If the video was found useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Visit hinduinfopedia.com to read full story.